Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100. And one of our subscriber Fahad Khatak requested for the burger cryptocurrency to be predicted, and this is under the post. Which coin should I predict? Let me know in the comment sections. Many of you requested for the ADA, which I predicted 2 days ago. TLM also predicted. I'm gonna make a video on EOS, just wait for it. Vincent. Then Shib coin, I also made a video yesterday, and I'm gonna make a video on the Firo 2 TLM. Done. TLM also have been done. Let me show you. You see here, Shib coin has been predicted 21 hours ago. ADA has been predicted 1 day ago. TLM has been predicted 2 days ago. I'm gonna make videos on these coins too, but let the price to move for 2 or 3 days, then I can make updated video on that. For now, I'm gonna predict the price prediction of burger USDT, burger swap. It's one of the best. Also just like PancakeSwap, burger swap, here we have it's currently ranking on 319 with 17,000 on the watch list. They have a good low supply coin, that's very good for the high price, and they have a good market cap in 141 million dollars. Good market cap. It's also on the Binance Smart Chain, so it's good. It's very good coin. You can see it was listed back in 2020, and let me just grab it with the help of Binance, Burger Scrap, Pancake, MXC. Let's take a look at the MXC, because you know the older the chart, the better the predictions. You see, let me check with the help of let's do the technical analysis with the help of MXC exchange. Why? Because you see here on the 13th of April, so on the 30th of April, it was listed on the trading view. So let me go back to the MX exchange. Here you can see it was listed back in, you see there, 9th. It was 25th of September, might be last year. So it's good. You can we can predict burger through this. That would be much more authentic, because of the good last date data, old data. The more the old data, the better the prediction. So let me remove the background. Let me make it background a bit dark, so that we can easily see the candles, and the wicks should be white. That would be good, and that would be good. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the EMAs. We don't need that. For now, I'm gonna turn off the volume bar as well. I am on the 1 day. Now I'm gonna be switching back to the 1 week chart. So let me just confirm. Yeah, it's recording. So right now it is at 11.75. Let me double check it. Yeah, 11.75. It's so the values are same. So here we have, let's draw the support and resistance levels on the weekly levels. We have a good here, good support and zone here, support and resistance zones here. Now I'm gonna make it green. That would be good color here, green as well. And next would be here. You see how perfectly it was rejected from this area, which is 10.55. so if we go back to the trading view, which is the chart of Binance, we see, let me check. Yeah, how perfectly it was also rejected. If we look at closely, if we watch closely here, 10.52, that is when 10.5. yeah, this one. You see how perfectly why this level was respected and the price didn't go below. Why? You can see here, you've got your answers here. You see the price was rejected perfectly from this zone 10.5 because it was a support zone. Previously it was a support zone on the weekly chart, you can see. So that's why I used to tell my audience that always predict those charts which are, you know, listed well before, okay, which are old. The older the chart, the better the analysis would be. So I'm gonna make it yellow, that would be good. So this is currently on the weekly. So next thing would be this one could also be taken, but let me turn it back to the daily chart here. So what do we have here for now? We have good wicks on this area. This side would be a good one. Yeah, that is a good resistance as well for this one. So I'm gonna make it dash one would be a good. Okay, so this one is also a good daily zone for now. And what do we have more? This one is also a good zone. Let me draw this here as well. That's also a good zone. Let me make it white. So for right now, what do we have here, guys? What do we have here? If I draw, just give me one thing, just give me a break. That's the last thing I would place here. That would be somewhere near, that would be the lowest point. Lowest point would be this one. So let's draw it here, this one, and I'm gonna colorize it. I'm gonna turn it off, and then I'm gonna extend the lines, and that would be good. Okay, so what do we have here for right now? If I shift the values on the right side, that would be good. On the top, that's good as well. Okay, now let's do the analysis here. Yeah, that's good. So right now you can see the price is staying somewhere near 6.18, which is a golden zone. This is a very golden zone. You see, this is a golden zone. Whenever a price goes below, the price usually goes down, and whenever price gets gets rejected from this area, we see a good upward move from there. You can see the price is already moving on the upside. You see the price has rejected from this area, as this is the lowest point on the Binance. Okay, this is the lowest it can go on the Binance, but on the MX exchange it was previously a support here. So what I am expecting right now, that this candle, if it closes above this zone, you see today is a daily candle, if it closes above this area, and let me draw with the help of labeling, I'm gonna label it here. Where is it? Sorry guys, yeah, this one. If it closes above this 11.16 area, okay, this here, this price zone, then surely we're going to go to this area. We're going to test the previous swing high, this one here. Okay, we're surely going to test here. You see the price is surely gonna go up to this level, or this one as well, because it is a previous swing high. This one is also a previous swing high, and it's on the daily chart. You see the price, if the price tested this level and closes above it, then surely we're going in the upward direction for a few days. So right now the price has bounced back from this area, which is a good sign for the upward movement. And if we go on to look at the 4-hour chart right now, we see what we are looking at. You see we see a perfect trend here. If we watch closely, you see, let me turn it off. Here we see the price went up, let me make it white, came down, went up, came down, went down, came up. You see how perfectly it's making lower lows. From here it went up, came down, went up, and now we are seeing accumulation kind of zone. Here we are seeing some kind of accumulation for right now. If we watch closely, if we observe closely, here we are making some kind of accumulation here at this area. So what I'm expecting is that, you see, swing high, swing low, swing low, swing low, low swing low, low swing high, sorry, low swing high here as well. So right now it's very close to the previous swing high. You see, if we look here, swing high, sorry, if I go there, swing high, the next swing high was formed below this area, okay, below this area. Then again the next swing high was formed below this area. Then again we came down, next previous swing high below this area. Then again the next swing high was formed below this area, okay, but the next swing high almost tested this area, and so does we are making some higher lows as well. You see here, we have now entered into the zone of accumulation, okay, might be a rebounds. Now what is going to happen next? What I am thinking is that if the candle closes above these zones, then we are surely going to test this area. Otherwise, if it gets rejected from this area, surely then again we are going to test at this area. So if I draw the price level zones, this one would be a good testing level, 13.435. That would be a good testing level. As you can see, this big bullish candle has formed, and the next candle is also a bullish candle. I hope that it's a bullish candle, and what I am expecting that two previous swing highs have been formed, and previously both of these has been rejected from this area. So 13.4 is a key area if you ask me, okay, it's a key area. This candle, if closes above, we might gonna test this area 13.4. Otherwise, if somehow the level gets rejected from this area, then surely we're again going to test this zone. We might be in the accumulation zone for some time, 10.55. So watch out for this candle to close above this area, and surely it's gonna test. If once we broke 13.4, surely we're going to go on the upside direction. So that's the current analysis if you ask me on that short-term analysis. But one thing, let me show you one thing as well. This area is also very important. This one, you see a lot of rejections in here. If we look at the past here, one rejection here, see one rejection at this area, one rejection at this area, okay. So these are also very important zones. You see 88.88. so if any candle closes below this level, surely we are going to test this zone as well. So you have to watch out for the candles. For now it's in between the accumulation zone. It's like an accumulation zone, but the two zones which I am looking at, if any candle closes below this area, we are going to test the 88.88 zone. Any candle closes above, we're surely going to test this 13.4. So that's the current scenario, guys, for the burger USDT pair. I hope you enjoy the video. Take care. Bye bye.